Hi guys, been looking at this bargain store project here that I did a while back, and I've come across some bits of polystyrene packaging, and I've had an idea for another bargain store project recycled. I'm going to recycle this and see if I can make another one of my crawler bots. It will become clear when I do it. The main bit I'm going to recycle out of this is this rather nice big pulley that I made out of some pizza trays, and hopefully I'll still be able to use the I think that was a nasal hair trimmer. Yes, nasal hair trimmer. So I'm going to see if I can make myself a rather large crawler bot with it. Right, first part of this recycling is I need this pulley or wheel, but I need to make the central pivot more substantial, because I'm going to have to mount it from only one side, because there needs to be a fulcrum and linkage on this side going to the legs, so the actual wheel or pulley is going to have to be supported from this side, so I'm going to have to strengthen the central section. Just looking through my bits and pieces drawer and found these wheels I made for a little car a long time ago. They're bits of CDs that I cut circles out of. So I think if I hot glue that onto the wheel, that'll give us a lot more strength in the centre section. Alright, that's fitted those strengtheners either side. Next thing I've got to do is drill another hole through for the that's the pivot. Next thing we need is the peg that sticks out to actually lift the wheel. Right, so have you got any idea where we're going with this? We're nearly finished. Not quite finished, but we're getting close. Bearing in there. Oh, you can't. Yes, you can just see that, can't you? Yeah, I need to put bearing in there and a washer on the end to hold it in place, and that's about it. I might actually put some I can't think what to call them, sort of bracing here just to hold the legs in place. I'll see how it goes without them, and if it needs them I'll add them. Okay, this could be interesting. I don't even know which way it's likely to go. Round in a circle from the looks of it. That's because the weight of the motor's on this side and it's dragging, no sorry, it's the way around. The weight of the motor's on that side, you can see it there, so it's actually dragging on that side. If I put a couple of extra levers on there to steady it, that might make it go in a straight line. Okay, I've added a couple of braces, I'm not quite sure what to call them, but I've had them on there. The idea is hopefully they may help guide the heavy end, so it might go in a straight line instead of round in a circle. Let's have a look. I would say that was no improvement. Maybe I ought to just put a weight on the other end. Okay, I've put a bit of weight on the other side now. A couple of dead 9-volt batteries. Finally found a use for them. Okay, he's not exactly racing along, but he is crawling forwards. I think we can count that as a success. Right then, summary time. What have we got? That is a nasal hair trimmer with the end cut off and a small pulley put on it. That is 4 round pizza trays glued together, 2 small ones, 2 larger ones, to give us a great big pulley. So we've got a nice low gearing to drive the wheel. All the black stuff is pizza trays, and these are bits of polystyrene packaging out of something that I had delivered a while ago. So we've got a slightly offset pulley there, a peg, so that gives us about 2 centimetres of movement as it moves itself forwards. And there we go. So that is Bargain Store Project Recycled number 2. That was fun. One final touch. I got the impression it wasn't quite lifting the centre section high enough. So I put a couple of feet or strips of stuff on the other feet to raise it up a little bit, and that does actually improve it just a little bit. So we'll give it a demonstration. Quite pleased with that. There we go.